What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Palantir Technologies with the ticker symbol PLTR. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So Palantir, since basically last week Thursday, it is finding support right around the bullish trend line. That's where price dropped down to. That was the measure move target. So you see that this was one leg down by the bears. They made a similar size drop in the future, and that was right around the mid 60s. And then price is finding support from the bullish trend line. We came back to the bottom side of the yellow range, so it did test it for resistance as it is right now, which is not a terrible sign for the bulls, but generally you want to see price immediately get back inside that range and continue pushing up higher. So the bulls still have a short-term trend line in play, a very small one right here. So again, the market is deciding what it wants to do. Does it want to get into a longer term decline at lower prices, or it has a bottom already and is ready to rally back up? So the market's waiting, I think maybe a couple more days, and then we'll have our decision. So just depending on which way we see follow through. If we do see follow through towards the downside from where we are right now, that's going to be another large leg down targeting the $52 level. If we see follow through to the upside, price getting back in the range, it will most likely break this downward trend line and probably see a retest the $80 level and maybe even a new all-time high shortly after that. So the market's waiting. It's deciding what it wants to do for several of these stocks. Is it going to break out higher, or are we going to find resistance and continue down lower? So again, it's setting up for higher prices. It's more likely we do break out higher, but until we see the follow through, then it's not guaranteed. Here's a look at the weekly chart. Price was just consolidating, pulling back, letting that EMA catch up, which generally it has been doing in this entire bull cycle, which is a good sign. EMA is almost caught up. So either we're going to see a quick move down, one last move down, and then higher prices, or we're going to get higher prices right now. Right now, it's still likely we do see higher prices sooner than later, but I wouldn't be surprised to see one more last drop in the market and then a rally from there. So that's all I have for Palantir on the daily weekly charts. Just have to wait and see what happens in the next couple of days. If you see strong buying or selling momentum, then you have your decision already made for you. It looks like earnings report is also coming out very shortly, sometime early February. But overall, Palantir is still looking pretty good. I'm not expecting this to be. This doesn't look like a top to me. I still think we can see the mid 90s, possibly even $100 before we see a bigger pullback in the market. So all I have for Palantir on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.